Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to ProductPlan for marketing roadmap projects, complete guide step by step clearly. Once you are on the home page, locate the Get Started or Sign Up button, typically found in the top right corner. Click on the button to be directed to the registration page. You will need to fill in your basic information, including your name, email address, and a password. After entering your details, check the box agreeing to the terms and conditions. Then, click on the Create Account or similar button to proceed. An email confirmation will be sent to the address you provided. Go to your email inbox and look for the confirmation email. Open the email and click the verification link included within it. This action will redirect you back to the ProductPlan website, allowing you to log in. Once logged in, navigate to the Pricing Plans section to view the subscription options. Evaluate the available plans based on your marketing needs and budget. Select the plan that suits you best and click on the corresponding Select or Choose Plan button. You may be required to provide payment details at this stage. Enter your payment information securely and confirm the purchase. After payment, you will receive a confirmation email detailing your subscription. Return to the ProductPlan platform to start creating your marketing roadmaps. Familiarize yourself with the user interface to make the most out of your new subscription. Consult the resources or help center for additional guidance or tutorials. Start building and managing your marketing roadmap projects effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password. You can check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.